Hi everyone, welcome back. I am so happy that you are here. Today I want to show you that I have started preparing the saplings for the cauliflower and the tomatoes and for the broccoli. I put the seeds of this cauliflower here in this pot around 10 days back, and these tomatoes also 10 days back. And see, they have grown this much, because tomatoes and broccoli and cauliflower, you have to prepare the saplings, and only then you have to shift these to the proper pots. So I thought that I should show you that these are the saplings of the cauliflower, and then after a week or so I'll shift these to the separate pots, and these tomato plants also I'll shift after around 10-15 days. And these broccoli seeds I put in this pot day before yesterday. Like 2-3 days have passed, but they have not started. They have started germinated, but I think you will not be able to see. Very little. They have germinated very little, and very soon they will grow into nice saplings, and I'll shift the broccoli saplings also different pots. So these are the 3 saplings I have started making, and this is the right time. Earlier I thought that I'll show you these saplings when I'm shifting these to the proper pots, but then I thought that I should tell you now only, because this is the right time to prepare the saplings for cauliflower and the tomatoes and the broccoli also. And I want to tell you that I have started the seedlings in coco peat and soil of my own garden and coco peat, and this is the right medium for because it is very light then, and saplings come out very easily. This is 50% coco peat and 50% soil from my own garden. And as I am showing you this video, I just take this opportunity to show you that these bitter gourds are ready on my terrace to be harvested. See this is ready to be harvested, so I'll take it out. And one is this one. I'll harvest this also, and still flowers are there. You can see that. I hope to get some more bitter gourds soon. This is also ready to be harvested, so I'll take this also. I just want to show you these small bitter gourds. This is the one, and one is this one. This one is this one. This is very small, and I'll wait for 3 to 4 days, and then only I'll harvest it. See, one is this one. I just saw it here now only, and I think I should take it out, because it was touching the soil of the pot, and you know, sometimes it gets spoiled, so I thought it is good to be harvested. That's all for today, friends. I just wanted to show you that I have started preparing the saplings for cauliflower and tomatoes and broccoli. Broccoli seeds also will be sprouted soon. Okay then, bye friends for today. See you soon with another video, and I hope that you also start making the saplings of these 3 vegetables, and very soon I'll show you how I am growing potatoes on my terrace. So okay, bye friends, see you soon. Till then, take care of yourselves.